Here I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon. Then you need to scroll down and choose settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down again, and here let's find and select the display. It should be located right here. Let's here choose wallpaper, and here you can use wallpaper from your gallery, from live wallpapers, from photos, or from wallpapers from system. Let me use system wallpapers. Let me allow the following access, and here you can use wallpaper from your gallery as well, or you can choose the wallpaper from the following list. So in my case, let me use the following wallpaper. Tap set wallpaper, and you can use it on your home screen, on your lock screen, or on your both screens. Let me use on my lock screen. So now after pressing the power key, I should see new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.